In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a web form in Docusign Esignature. This quick and comprehensive guide will walk you through the process step by step, ensuring that by the end you'll be able to set up your own web form with ease. Let's dive right in. First, you need to navigate to the Docusign website. It's your one-stop shop for all things related to electronic signatures and intelligent agreement management, so open your preferred browser and go to Docusign's homepage. Once you're there, look for the Login button. You'll find it prominently displayed at the top right corner of the page. Click on it and enter your login credentials to access your account. If you don't have an account, you'll need to create one by following their straightforward registration process. After you've successfully logged in, you'll land on your dashboard. From here, look for the Home option. Clicking on Home will redirect you to a central point where all your Docusign activities and options are neatly organized. It's an optimized space designed specifically to help you manage your documents and workflows efficiently. Now that you're on the home page, the next step is to navigate to the templates section. This section is crucial because it allows you to automate your document processes, making it simpler to send similar documents repeatedly without starting from scratch each time. Start by locating the templates option in the menu. It's likely positioned along the left side of your dashboard, giving you easy access to all your saved templates. Once you've clicked on templates, you'll notice an option to create a template. Clicking this will open up a new window where you can start designing your web form. In this phase, you have the freedom to customize your template according to your specific needs. You might want to include frequently used forms like NDAs, contracts, or agreements, anything that requires a signature. The key here is flexibility and efficiency, allowing you to tailor each template to suit different scenarios. By following these steps, you've successfully set the stage for building a web form tailored for your needs, utilizing Docusign's powerful tools. Remember, the beauty of using templates lies in their reusability and adaptability, saving you time and ensuring consistency across all your digital documents. And that's all there is to it. With this foundation, you're now well equipped to create and customize web forms using Docusign. As you continue to use this tool, you will find even more features and functionalities that can enhance your document management process. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Happy creating!